The new project is going on. Required a safety officer, at least 2 to 5 year experience in the same field. Location Neom, Tabuk, Saudi Arabia based job. Excellent in English language. Please send your resume to the following email with written safety officer in the subject. And safety inspector job is available. This is a Saudi Arabia based job and the location is Al Khafji. And the education required is bachelor degree in engineering and you must have knowledge on field detail engineering. Years of experience, 8 years of experience within the field of safety inspection for major oil and gas petrochemical projects. Interested candidates can send update CV in below mail. This is managerial level job and if you fall in the above criteria you can send CV to the given email address. A Saudi Arabia based company name is Al Rashid is hiring for multiple position: network engineering, computer engineer, network technician, technical support, telecom engineer, IT support. Work location Al Khubar, Riyadh. Requirements: bachelor degree or diploma, must be speak and write English language. If you are interested, please send your CV to the given email address. 2 managerial posts are available. The location is Al Khafji, Saudi Arabia. Number 1, senior electrical engineering. The requirement is bachelor degree in electrical engineering and 12 years of experience, 6 years of them within the field of electrical engineering for major oil and gas petrochemical projects. Number 2, senior loss prevention engineer. Bachelor degree is in engineering, closely related engineering discipline. 12 years of experience, 6 years of them within the field of safety or loss prevention for major oil and gas petrochemical projects or closely related projects types. Interested candidate can send update CV in below given email address and make sure in the subject line your designation for which you are going to apply. Multiple positions are required. This is a automatic doors company in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Number 1 is cost manager, number 2 is quality manager, number 3 warehouse manager, purchasing manager, supply chain manager, customer service manager, HR supervisor, HR specialist, recruitment specialist, administration specialist, support services specialist. For managerial position, at least 5 years of experience in the same job is required. If you are interested, kindly share the opportunity name in the subject with your CV in the below email address. एक HR सुपरवाइज़र की वैकेंसी अवेलेबल है जो कि लोकेशन सऊदी अरेबिया है, दमाम में। इसके लिए जो रिक्वायरमेंट है, आपके पास 3 से 5 साल का एक्सपीरियंस होना चाहिए HR का, या कि HRM की डिग्री होनी चाहिए, बैचलर डिग्री, या कि इसी के रिलेटेड कुछ होना चाहिए। और अगर आप इमीडिएट ज्वाइनिंग के लिए अवेलेबल हैं और आपके पास कुछ टेक्निकल स्किल्स हैं, पर्सनल स्किल्स हैं, पेरोल अकाउंटिंग के मतलब या सैलरी देने के मतलब कुछ स्किल्स हैं, तो आप अपनी CV दी गई ईमेल एड्रेस पर सेंड कर सकते हैं। और आपने CV सेंड करते हुए सब्जेक्ट लाइन में HR सुपरवाइज़र मस्ट मेंशन करना है। एन HR सुपरवाइज़र वैकेंसी इज़ अवेलेबल. दिस लोकेशन इज़ सऊदी अरेबिया, तमाम. रिक्वायरमेंट मिनिमम 3 to 5 years of experience in HR and bachelor degree in HRM or related field. If you are ready to join immediately, you have technical skills, personal skills, payroll skills, and interested candidates may send their resume mentioning the job title in the subject across. You can send CV to the given email address, but make sure to mention the designation in the subject line. एक असिस्टेंट अकाउंटेंट की जॉब है सऊदी अरब में, जो कि अल खुबार लोकेशन है। और अगर आप फ्रेश हैं, फ्रेश ग्रेजुएट हैं, अभी आपने ग्रेजुएशन की है या आपके पास 1 साल का एक्सपीरियंस है और अकाउंटिंग और फाइनेंस की डिग्री है और इसमें इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज मस्ट है, आपको इंग्लिश लाजम आनी चाहिए, तो आप अपनी CV दी गई ईमेल एड्रेस पे सेंड कर सकते हैं। और आपने सब्जेक्ट लाइन में, ईमेल के सब्जेक्ट लाइन में CV सेंड करते हुए रिसीवेबल असिस्टेंट अकाउंटेंट मस्ट मेंशन करना है। An assistant accountant receivable job is available in KSA. This location is Al Khubar. Experience fresh graduate or 1 year experience degree on accounting or finance. Note: English language is mandatory. Please, if you are interested, send your update CV to the below email mention when the position receivable assistant. The given email address you can send CV, and this is a Saudi Arabia based job.